Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a collage photo on your Instagram story by using simple layout technique. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to make a collage photo on the Instagram directly, I just going to show. So first of all, click on this plus symbol and click on the story option. Now you just need to click on the camera section on the top. After clicking on the camera section, you will see an option called layout. Click this and you can see this is a 4 layout. If you just need to change, you can just click on the layout option and you can find this different type of layout like 2 or 3 or like this, and just choose the layout that you just need it. So now you can just click on the image on the bottom section and choose a 4 image like this. So you can just select it one by one like this, and you can just automatically place it on the where you just need it. And also you can just, after doing this, you can see a tab to delete a photo or video or long press to hold and move. You just need to long press it and you can just change the order like this, and you can just long press it and you can just resize it by pinching the image and click OK. Now you can see this is the story has been ready. This is how you just see a collage photo on the Instagram story. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.